Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to do the modified windshield wiper on 2 feet. So if you don't know, the windshield wiper is where we rotate side to side, keeping the knees pulled up towards the chest. And the modified windshield wiper is, well, there's a couple ways to modify it, but we can look this way, rotate the legs this way, and then keep looking. So that's the modified windshield wiper. But how are we gonna do it on 2 feet? I'm glad you asked. So we're gonna get a prop or a chair or a stool, and we're gonna squat. And from here, we're going to rotate our legs. Now, can you see this is the same position if I were just lying on my back like this, right? But I'm not lying on my back. So same position, and we're gonna rotate our legs this way. We're gonna rotate our legs this way. So it's a windshield wiper. To modify it, I'm gonna look left, rotate left, keep looking, look right, rotate right, keep looking, look left, look right. And we can also look opposite and rotate the legs to the opposite. So I can look to the right, rotate my legs to the left, which is kind of similar. And I can look to the left and rotate my legs to the right. And using the prop or the stool has advantages because, well, you're not necessarily reliant on your balance. And this, you can still do this too, and this is great. But if we use this, we can kind of push down into it, activate our lats, and this is what feels good. So when you push a little bit of pressure down into the stool, it turns the lats on reflexively, and well, it lights your torso up. And then you rotate, and you get a really nice lengthening, stretching sensation through your torso. And just like the windshield wiper on the floor, we're still rotating the vertebrae and giving good nutrition to our disc and to our back. We're still connecting the shoulders to the hips as we rotate. Again, it's rolling, standing up, or rolling in the squatted position. So this is the windshield wiper with more load because we're under the effects of gravity in a different way. Basically, we're in the same position, but relative to how we are on the floor, our position has changed. Anyway, so give that a shot. The standing, squatting, modified windshield wiper. Okay, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.